You have been following my natural hair journey here on Simply Shev. Coming up in today's video, I show you a really nice and easy recipe that will have your natural hair looking healthier, feeling smoother and looking shinier. And I promise you, after putting this in your hair, you will be able to see a difference, certainly in the moisture retention in your hair. The great news is that all of the ingredients is all natural, and you probably have some of these lying around already. So let's get into today's video. I want to say thank you so much for watching my channel. If you are new around here, welcome. If you've been with me a while, welcome. So appreciate each and every one of you watching my channel. Please do 3 things for me. Do give this video a like, do subscribe to my channel, and also leave me a comment below. So the first ingredient we're going to use is fenugreek. Now, I've used fenugreek in many recipes. Do go ahead and check out my DIY playlist. But fenugreek or methi seeds is used in natural home remedies, especially in Ayurveda. It's used if your hair is thinning or other related condition. Fenugreek also helps to get rid of dandruff, fenugreek, dry, itchy scalp, and it's also used for your hair, which we're going to be doing in this video. Also great for your skin in masks or whatever. So the reasons why fenugreek makes it into today's recipe is that it encourages hair growth. It also helps you to have a healthy scalp, which we also need here in our natural hair journey. And it also influences overall hair health. So fenugreek makes it into today's recipe because of those benefits. Once again, do go ahead and check out my DIY playlist where I give you detailed information on all of these ingredients. So I've added fenugreek to this hair mask to grow my natural hair long, healthy and strong. And it's going to be used topically, though you can also put fenugreek in your smoothies, etc. to also help your hair growth. The next ingredient in this 3-ingredient hair mask that will grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong is moringa. So moringa makes it into this mask because it contains vitamins A and vitamins B that both promote hair growth. It's got iron in there, it prevents hair loss. It's got zinc in there, which promotes healthy hair follicles. Moringa is great because it's got essential amino acids that also builds our hair strands. Moringa has vitamin C and vitamin E, and moringa also fights stress in your hair. Sometimes our hair gets split because it's stress. Moringa will help with that. Moringa also has omega-3. So moringa is really great for growing your natural hair and also makes it into this hair mask. If you have these ingredients lying around, do add them. You could also just add 2 ingredients. Even just one of these ingredients is also great. But I wanted to make this power pack hair mask that will grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong. And so I put 3 of my best ingredients together to give you this hair mask. So ingredient number 3 in this power packed hair mask that will grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong is henna, and specifically the Nopur brand. If you've been on my channel, you know that this is the only henna I use and the only henna I recommend. So henna is great for your natural hair. It's great for growing your natural hair. Henna improves scalp health. I've been using it for many years and it's done wonders to my hair. Henna is great for enhancing the color of your hair. Sometimes I get lots of comment that my hair is really black. It looks rich. It looks really dark. And I will say that that's down to henna. If your hair is already black, henna enhances the color of the blackness in your hair. If it is brown, it makes your hair a little bit more brown. So I love using it because it gives me a darker tone to my hair. It enhances the hair color. So henna also relieves stress in your hair like our previous ingredient, moringa. So henna is great for adding into this mix because my hair has been through mini braids. If you've been following my channel, you know that. And that could also bring stress to my strands. So in this hair mask, hair pack, powerful hair pack, I decided to put also henna in there to relieve some of the stress that my hair is going through. Now my hair is also on the higher porosity side. It means that but if you rub your hand along the strands of my hair, it will feel quite rough. Now henna smooths that down and releases the stress from my hair. Henna also conditions your hair. Now this is the number 1 reason why it's always been in my stash. Henna makes my hair so conditioned. You'll instantly see the curls in your hair pop if there are any, and so it's really good to have in this mask. Henna is great for conditioning your hair in a natural way. And henna overall just repairs damage in my hair, reduces split ends, and strengthens my hair. If I pull, I always do a strand test when I use henna. So I pull my hair to see how fast it breaks or how quickly it will break before I use henna and after my application. And I've talked about my henna applications in my do-it-yourself playlist. Do go ahead and check that out. I've got specific videos on this channel about using henna to grow your natural hair, especially if you've never had long hair before like myself. Henna is a great ingredient to strengthen your hair, to allow your hair to grow longer and stronger. So those are the 3 ingredients that makes it into today's power packed hair mask that will grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong. So I then get all of those ingredients in a bowl. I'm not using specific measurement. I just eye up how much I need for my own hair. In this case, it's probably about a teaspoon, half a teaspoon, each of the measurement, but I just plot them all together. Now look at your hair. For example, if your hair is longer, you're going to need much more. If it's shorter, you will need less. I will say about 2 or 3 tablespoons of the fenugreek. Then I would say about half a tablespoon of the moringa, half a tablespoon of the henna. It's a very light mask that I made for my hair. Once again, if you are going to make it more, then you could add other things as well to it, which I did. I did add some banana. It is a 3 ingredient hair mask or treatment, but I wanted to make it a mask, and so I added just a little bit of banana. You saw the very small amount, and then I went ahead and put it into the blender and blended that mixture all together to make sure that it's it. You will see that in the mixture I use hot water as opposed to cold water to sort of help the ingredients to fuse together, as a lot of them were powders. And then again, I give that a very good twirl in the blender. Once I'm happy with the consistency in the blender, and I will blend it to see as fine as I'd like on my hair, I go ahead and I strain it. Try any cheesecloth, any fine strainer is fine to get rid of all of the bits and pieces of the fenugreek and other bits that you don't want to be on your hair once you rinse it out. So the better you strain it, the less bits that there will be on your hair when it comes to washing this out. And this is what my mixture looked like afterwards. Once again, fenugreek, henna, moringa, powerful ingredients that will grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong. I added the banana in because it's a bit of an humectant, so really it's a 4 ingredient mixture, but the 3 main ingredients is enough for this. I wanted to make it a mask, and so I added in the banana. And so now it's time for the application of the hair mask, hair treatment on my hair. My hair has been freshly shampooed. Now look out for the video of where I review this new shampoo that I use. It's freshly shampooed and ready for this treatment. I then carefully apply the mask to my hair. Now I will say this is a very, very messy process, so do allow yourself some space and some time to do it, and wear something old that you don't mind getting a lot of this mixture on, and work the mixture into your hair as best as you can. Now do check out all the playlists on my channel. They are geared towards growing your natural hair long, healthy and strong. I've got the How to Grow My Natural Hair in 2022 playlist, as well as my mini braids playlist, currently on a mini braids challenge. This treatment was done before I installed my mini braids, so great treatment also if you're going to go into long-term protective style. I've got a lot of playlists. Do go ahead and check out the playlist section. Also do hit the subscribe button. That really does mean a lot to me and this channel, and also give me a like. Do hit down below with a comment. Let me know if you've ever used any of these ingredients in your hair and how you have found using them. So because this is really a strengthening treatment, I'm really focusing this treatment along the strands of my hair, making sure that all the strands of my hair is covered. And I do go ahead and also put some on the root and on the end, but it's mainly for the length of my hair to make sure that all of those strands that's been through the long-term protective style are also strengthened to go back into this current style that we are in. Now I recommend using a Veda on your hair as opposed to treatments that you buy in the shop, because not only do you know all of these ingredients, I have found it to be a lot cheaper and cost effective. Fenugreek, henna and moringa are all very, very cheap, especially if you do buy them in bulk. So I do recommend you also do that. And I'm going to try to start providing some links to where I get these treatments from to use on my hair. So I decided for the application to section my hair into 6, focusing on each section and giving it its own merit, applying it to the 4B sections a little bit more, probably to the straighter areas a little bit less, but also just making sure that the treatment is worked well into my scalp. I want the benefit, especially of fenugreek, in strengthening and conditioning my hair. It's really a great treatment, and even fenugreek water can transform your hair. So I do recommend fenugreek as a treatment. Now, as I said, I do have henna on my channel, plenty of videos on using henna, how it's helped me to grow my hair, some before and after. I've showed you how to make other henna application, including my 8-hour henna application, and that's the one where if you never used henna before, I recommend you doing that to sort of just get the strength into your hair. Now this is what my tresses was looking like after it's finished. It looked beautiful. My hair is coming along so nicely. You can see the improvement in the thickness, in the health, and everything of my hair just by watching my channel. And if you don't believe that this is my hair or it's growing like this, you can go and watch some of my videos that I made a year ago. They're all on this channel, and you will see that my hair was not in this condition, but using Aveda, fenugreek, henna, and other recipes on my hair has really transformed it, as well as using long-term protective style that is in the form of mini braids. I've also been using clothes recently, and I've been documenting how that is growing my hair, as well as virgin hair fertilizer, and both of those have their separate playlists. I do want to thank you so much for watching my channel. Really do appreciate every single viewer, every comment, everything is just a blessing, and I'm really grateful for your support. Coming up, I do have the trimming video of my mini braids, as well as so much more content that I've filmed that's ready to go out there. So do stick around and you will learn how to grow your natural hair long, healthy and strong. Thank you so much.